In the inpatient department, you cannot miss out on the Sycan Classic Series bed, D8d. Let's have a closer look. The extended and elevated head and footboard features are rounded, along with the wrap-around side rail design, combine both comfort and safety. Both inside and outside the rail, there are control panels for convenient adjustment of position by doctors and patients. Additionally, the footboard is equipped with an ambient control panel with a 3-inch LCD display, which dynamically shows the various angle and statue. Furthermore, this bed has passed the IEC 60601 safety test, and it complies with the safety standards, ensuring a peace of mind to the doctor and the patient. So if you are interested in our products, don't forget to leave us a message.